Welcome back to another Andrew Marson Fitness YouTube video. Today we're going to be cooking up a taco beef skillet. This is an excellent meal prep idea. You can use it for wraps, burritos, anything like that at all. You can have it on its own if you're going low carb. Today I'm going to be using it along with some stranding stuffed soft shell tacos. Great recipe to throw into your routine. Quick, easy and very simple. Also stick around to the end for a nutritional freebie. Stay tuned. This is going to be everything you need. So you've got some mushrooms, some fajita seasoning, some 5% extra lean steak mince, 3-bean salad, bell pepper, some stand stuffed tacos. Again, you can use wraps, things like that, or just have them on its own. Red onion, salt, black pepper, also some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika and some crushed chilies. That's going to be everything you need to make this prep, and some fry spray. First things first, we're just going to chop up all our veg and also drain off the beans. You probably don't need to see this part. Pretty simple and effective. just to chop it up, just to chop them up. I'm sure you don't need to watch it. So I'll see you in the next part for the second bit of the recipe. As you can see at this point, we've now got all the veg chopped up, all the beans drained off. All you need to do is empty the can into a sieve and drain it off. Now I'm just going to spray my pan with some non-stick. Coat it well, give you a good few sprays. Open up the mince, wooden spoon. So when you're cooking mince and things like that, you want to try and focus on getting a good high heat to start with. This is going to give you a nice crisp kind of outer layer, and it gives you a good bit of flavour, especially when you're cooking up these meals. You don't want them to be bland and plain, you want them to be full of flavour, and they certainly can be, even if they're healthy. So the pan is now pretty reasonably hot, and we're just going to break up the mince and add it in as you go. Just breaking it up as you're adding it in. Now this amount of mince will probably do 3 very large servings. You'll probably get around 40 to 50 grams of protein from the beef just alone if you just use the packet. I think that's a 500 gram packet, but you can pretty easily divide this into 4 different servings and just keep it up for that. That will still give you a good amount of protein, probably in the region of 25 to 30 grams. So now we're just going to add in our seasonings, some garlic, some onion powder, some paprika, some crushed chilies. If you don't like spicy food, just leave them out. A good bit of salt. Normally I've got some sea salt, but we need to make do here. Right there. Again, don't be scared of salt. If you're exercising, working hard, you need to replenish all your electrolytes, things like that. Saves muscle cramps as well, so don't be scared of it. So that's all the seasonings, and also going to put this fajita seasoning in. This is barbecue. Again, this is probably optional to be honest, but it is a taco skillet, so you want a bit of flavour. Then just make sure you move that around, get everything well coated. Keep breaking that up and breaking it down. And you're just going to cook this for probably around 2 to 3 minutes until everything's brown. Mince cooks pretty quickly, especially when you're breaking it up like this, so there's no need to overdo it and overcook it. So I'll see you at the next stage. The mince has been cooking for around 2 to 3 minutes now. It's all well brown, so what I'm going to do is add in the beans. Also add in the veg. Getting quite cloudy in there just now. And then I'm just going to simmer that for around 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, veg flying everywhere. Until all the veg softens and it kind of soaks up all the flavour of the additional seasonings and things like that we put on the beef. Just stir all that through. also worth noting that I have put on the oven this time to preheat, and I'm also going to throw in some chopped tomatoes to this as well. Something that I missed out at the start of the recipe. So just throw the chopped tomatoes straight in there, no messing about. Again, just stir it in carefully. A lot going on here, but again, these are going to be big portions. I'm probably going to break it up into 4 portions actually today, and I'll show you how to portion that out at the end, but I'll see you at the next stage. So the next stage is complete. Now I'm going to show you how to weigh out and portion out the beef, and I'll also show you the next stage of this cooking process for the taco soft shells. Just set that camera up there. So all I've done is take the beef off the heat. Now this is all of the mixture, so I'm going to portion it just into this tub on the scale. That's coming in at 1.3 kilos. So all I'm going to do to get my one portion, divide it by 4, which is around 325. So all I do is scoop it down until it's about 975, because that's going to give me still remaining portions, 3 remaining portions of 375 grams. So that's me sitting at 960, so that's just a touch over. So 985, so that's close enough. That has me got 1 portion of the beef, and I'm just going to move that into soft shell tacos, which I'll show you just now. Got my bacon tray here, got my soft shell tacos, so I'm just going to portion evenly between the 3. And with regards to tracking, what I do is just capture the whole packet, so the full 500 grams, I divide it by 4, so it's 125 grams, track it as that. Same with the can of beans, track a third of the can, because I've used a third. The veggies and stuff, I don't particularly weigh out veggies, so not something I'd really take notice of, but that's how I track the macros and keep accountable with regards to that as well. These are going to get in the oven at 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, just until they're crispy, and that's going to be it, done, easy, quick, simple. Is the final article then, a wee bit crispy down the outside, served with a bit of side salad as well, some sweet corn, side salad and tomatoes. Easy, quick meal to make, great for dinner. You can use the beef for other things like wraps as well, keep it in the go, keep it portable, or just have it on its own if you're looking for a low carb meal. A lot of micronutrients, a lot of protein, some good carbohydrates in there, and an excellent balanced meal to push you towards your muscle building goals. I said also at the end there'll be a nutritional freebie, so if you're stuck with regards to nutrition, you're not sure where to start, DM me or leave a comment below and I'll send over a 15-page muscle building nutrition document that I've created. This is an in-depth explanation of how I use muscle building nutrition and also what I do with my clients and how I set them up for success. So if you'd be interested in that, leave a comment below, and of course don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, comment any further suggestions, and subscribe as well if you want to see more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed it, see you in the next one.